Hi, my name is Graham Rashar. I'm the Chief Remote Pilot of RPAS Training and Solutions. As time moves on, we've got a lot of changes in the drone industry. Everything is speeding up with the drones. The cameras are getting better. People are able to take better pictures all over the place and able to do surveying with it. We have now people doing agricultural work. The emergency services are all making use of it. Every day somebody thinks of a new method of using a drone for something or other. Many people get a gift of a drone for their birthday or for Christmas. What they need to do is to know the basics. Come along to RPAS Training and Solutions. The drone training provides people with the background knowledge as to what they can and cannot do in aviation itself. If you do have a RPAS license, that enables you to do certain things outside of the norm. There are certain rules and regulations. You're not allowed above 400 feet or within 30 meters of people. However, once you do get your RPAS, you can ask for exemptions on certain things. During the week that we present the course, we cover 9 different modules. Every day we do some flying. We'll go out to the training field, and on that field we set out some cones. We go through a set number of patterns that we follow, and we teach the person the basics of drone flying, how to do all the different things that is required in the actual field when he leaves there. Once they have received all the training and they've passed the flight assessment, we then forward all that information through to CASA. CASA is a Civil Aviation Safety Authority. They're in charge of all the aviation activities in Australia, and they then issue the actual certificate to the person. At RPAS Training and Solutions, we've got a number of instructors that we make use of. We've got very highly qualified people. Each of our drone pilots has got many hours of experience. Once a person has completed the course, we produce somebody that has a thorough grounding in all the aviation requirements. They are then equipped to go out and make the skies safer for everybody else flying it. Whether it be a manned aircraft, whether it be a hot air balloon or drone, we're making this whole sky safer for them. The training that we conduct is not only here in Melbourne, but we've got trainers based all over the country. It doesn't matter where you are in the country, there is training available for you at short notice. Look at our website, and on the website you can see where the training venues are. If your area doesn't have it, let us know and we can accommodate you as much as possible.